Being a fourth generation traditional farmer, you know, we're in the corn and bean game already. And so we're very familiar with that. We've been doing that for almost 100 years as a family now. And so getting into hemp was a new endeavor. We wanted to try it out. We tried 15 acres this year and we were successful, and Shivvers was a big part of that. Quality is one of the biggest driving factors in hemp. If you don't have a quality product, it's going to be difficult to sell your product. With our contract with our buyer, we needed to hit a certain level of CBD before we had a ladder. So the better quality we had, the better price. Shivvers was our #1 pick from the beginning. We were very cognizant of how we wanted to dry and the quality that we wanted to retain. And we were very hesitant on some of these other ways of drying. Not that they're wrong, just that they were just so different than what we were used to. We looked at tobacco curing barns. We looked at even trying to figure out how to build something ourselves, you know, sort of like a trough with, you know, laying stuff down and trying to get the airflow through it. But Shivvers has all that established. They've got, you know, they can measure the airflow. They can measure the heat units. They have experience. They know it. They're well versed already in drying things that have difficulty drying. And so that's why we were drawn to Shivvers. It's something that we were comfortable with, and that's what we were looking for is what can we do that's similar enough to what we've already done, but will get the job done. We did testing before we went into the dryer. We did testing after it came out of the dryer, and there was no loss. There's an art to grain drying, and hemp drying is a ratchet even above that. And so the way that Shivvers has been able to prove that you can have the quality and you can have the quantity all at the same time, it's the best of both worlds. I'll be real honest with you. Of the whole 2020 hemp growing season, the dryer that Shivvers provided was the absolute best quality that we could have expected. And it was actually the strongest link in our entire chain.